In today's modern homes, there is a growing appreciation for traditional and vintage elements that add character and charm. While many homeowners are focused on selecting the perfect furniture and decor, one area often overlooked is door hardware. However, incorporating high-quality vintage pocket door hardware can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. This video aims to explore the remarkable benefits of using such hardware and why it is worth considering for your property. One of the significant benefits of vintage pocket door hardware is its ability to enhance the architectural appeal of your home. Whether your house is Victorian, craftsman, or mid-century modern, vintage hardware adds a touch of elegance and authenticity that stands out. These timeless pieces not only catch the eye but also complement the overall style and design of your space. If you own a historic property, preserving its architectural integrity is crucial. Vintage pocket door hardware is a perfect choice, offering authentic period details that not only maintain the historical significance but also showcase its unique character. By retaining original features with high-quality vintage hardware, you honor the past while designing a functional space for the present. Moreover, high-quality vintage pocket door hardware is renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship and durability. Unlike mass-produced options, these pieces are typically handcrafted with attention to detail, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. The use of premium materials such as solid brass or bronze guarantees that these true vintage treasures can withstand the test of time, becoming reliable features in your home for years to come. Another advantage of vintage pocket door hardware lies in its smooth and quiet operation. Designed with precision, these hardware inserts and fittings provide effortless gliding movement, allowing the doors to open and close without any noise or resistance. The absence of creaking or squeaking adds an element of tranquility to your living space, enhancing the overall comfort and harmony of your home. Pocket doors are commonly used to optimize space in smaller areas or rooms where a hinged door might be impractical. Vintage pocket door hardware takes this functionality to the next level with their slim profiles and efficient use of space. By utilizing the pocket within the wall, these doors can help create an open and unobstructed flow without compromising floor space, making them an excellent choice for tight and compact areas. High-quality vintage pocket door hardware offers a wide range of styles and finishes to suit various interior design themes. Whether you prefer ornate and intricate details or more minimalist and sleek options, you'll find hardware that seamlessly blends with your existing decor. The versatility in design allows you to achieve a cohesive and harmonious look throughout your home, creating a visually appealing environment. Furthermore, investing in high-quality vintage pocket door hardware adds value to your property. Potential buyers are often captivated by the charm, uniqueness, and attention to detail associated with older homes or those with vintage accents. Upscaling your door hardware not only demonstrates quality but also showcases your commitment to preserving the integrity of your property. This can prove to be advantageous when selling your home, as it may increase its market appeal and potentially lead to a higher selling price. The use of high-quality vintage pocket door hardware represents a symbol of elegance, craftsmanship, and functionality in your home. From enhancing architectural appeal to optimizing space and increasing property value, the benefits of incorporating these authentic and timeless pieces are undeniable. By carefully selecting and installing vintage pocket door hardware, you can create a space that not only reflects your personal style but also exudes a sense of history, character, and sophistication. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.